Hello student, please subscribe my channel. I am Veena Dikshit. All the best. God bless you. Write down all the isomers of C3H5Cl3. So molecular formula is given to you and you have to write down all the isomers including stereoisomers. Option A, 3, 5, 6 or none. So here I draw everything. See here, this is CH3, CH2, CCl3. One thing I will tell you that all of them at last you have to write down trichloropropane, trichloropropane. Okay, in all 6. Now see here, this is in first carbon there is 3 Cl, so 1, 1, 1 trichloropropane. In the second 2 chlorine are in first carbon and 1 chlorine is on the second carbon, so it will become 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 trichloropropane. And this carbon is chiral carbon, so it is optically active. Since it is optically active, so enantiomers is also present over here. So here total 2 isomer of optical isomers. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 isomers we got. Now fourth one here, put all attach all chlorine with each carbon. So CH2Cl, CHCl, CH2Cl. Okay, so first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, from anywhere we can name it. So 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane. How easy it is. Now we will take this central one. Now we will put 2 carbon chlorine over here. 2 chlorine here, 1 chlorine here. Now it will be 1, 2, 2 trichloropropane. Now what I did, 1 chlorine here and 2 chlorine last. But here now numbering start from here because 2 chlorine are here. So 1, 1, 3 trichloropropane. You must try this, see so that you will not repeat it again and again. Again I will say, you have seen that there are 3 chlorine, so adjust them according to that, no repetition will be there. Okay, so in first case we CCl3 I put, and second case you have to see, you have to write down CH3, CHCl, CHCl2 means 1 chlorine here, so 2 chlorine over here. All the 4 valency should be satisfied either by hydrogen or by chlorine. You have to see that. And then in here, since this is a chiral carbon, so optically active, so D and L form will be there, so it will form enantiomers also. So 2 isomer, optical isomer of this, because including stereoisomer they are saying, so you have to write down this also. Now in the fourth carbon, all carbon bearing 1 Cl, so 1, 2, 3 trichloropropane. Then we will see that second carbon is having 2 chlorine and first carbon is having 1 chlorine, so 1, 2 trichloropropane. Now each of them, we have seen that chlorine is there. Now here last carbon